Hi, I'm Drew Merrett from Merrett Home Hardware Building Center, Peterborough. Today we're going to discuss deck refinishing and preparation of your deck before you start staining. Step one is to get the deck clean so it will accept the stain. Today we're using Activox, which is an environmentally friendly product, and it removes stains of mold, mildew, and algae and brings them up on the top, and then you can just hose them off afterwards. It's a two-part product and you just apply it by the sprayer. As you can see, it's starting to foam up, which is bringing the dirt and particles and algae and mildew up on the top, and so that we can hose it off and agitate it first with the broom and then hose it off afterwards. So after waiting for 5 or 10 minutes, you don't want it to go dry, so as long as it's still staying moist, you can see it bubbling away. Then we're going to hose it down. Just a regular hose, doesn't need a power wash or pressure washer. It can go into the water, it can go into flower beds, it's environmentally friendly, so it's not going to harm anything. So now it's 48 hours with dry conditions on your deck or dock, and you're ready to do some staining. So we have 3 different levels available: your good, better, and best. The best one we have is tung oil based. Really penetrates into the wood and does a great job on decks or docks. The next one is 100% acrylic, which is available in semi-transparent and solid. And we have an alkyd acrylic mix, which is available in solid and semi-transparent as well. There's many ways to apply stain. I'd suggest not to roller it or spray it, because that just lays it on the top, and you want to penetrate the grains, you want to push it into the grains. This product's great for that because it comes with a pole and you don't have to bend down, and it's very easy to apply, and it gets in the sides all at the same time. And it's sponge. Works very well. Or there's different qualities of brushes, but you want to either brush it or push it into the grain somehow. So that's how you refinish a deck or dock without using any harsh chemicals. So please come in to Merrett Home Hardware Building Center and we'll give you great advice about staining and proper things to use. And let's stain it together.